Good morning everyone. Let us continue ahead with question 2. Construct an angle of 45 degree at the initial point of a given ray and write steps of construction. As I told you, we will not justify. We will only write steps of construction. Now in this construction again use of question 1 will come. So I am using same figure here. If you remember, yesterday only we have done this construction, that is how to construct 90 degree angle. First we will draw 60 degree, again we will draw 60, and that part of 60 and 120 we will bisect. So yesterday only we have completed this angle BAC of 90 degree, and that was your question 1. I am using same figure and all 6 steps of construction also will remain same. You have to write next steps by your own. So data will be AC ray given to you. We want to construct angle of 45 degree. So construction, that is to construct BAC, instead of 90 degree it will come 45 degree, and instead of angle BAC you can change name to suppose DAC. So what we want to construct? Angle DAC of 45 degree. Now construction. This much construction you will repeat of yesterday's first construction, question 1. Now ahead, here let us give this point where this arc intersect 90 degree as, suppose here E name we have not taken any time. So let us take this name, suppose E. Now taking PE radius or more than half of PE, I am taking more than half of PE, or you can take full PE also, it doesn't make any difference. Let us take full PE. So taking PE as a radius, give an arc from P and similar way taking same radius but center is at point E, give an arc which intersect the previous arc which we have drawn just now at suppose point D. So this point where they are intersecting each other is your point D. Now join this D with A. So this DA, as soon as I will join this, so this angle DAC will be of 45 degree. Now main angle you will draw dark, remaining all rays you have to draw little bit lighter. Main angle must be visible. That means for this figure I can say angle DAC must be visible. So this angle DAC, this angle is now of 45 degree. Why? Because 90 degree angle we have bisected, and you know how to bisect using construction 11.1. Now steps of construction, till 6 points it will come same, remaining 2 points you will write by your own.